Every chocolate bar begins its journey in a factory built for precision. Fresh cocoa beans arrive and move through a fully automated intake system. Each bean is cleaned and carefully sorted for quality, so you can enjoy every bite. The beans are roasted to unlock their deep, rich flavor, which gives a great taste.
After wafoo, the shells are removed automatically for the next stage, but first, please subscribe.
The cocoa nibs are ground into a smooth, intense cocoa mass.
Sugar and milk are blended to create the perfect balance. Witness the transformation. Slow, deliberate mixing ensures every drop of this dark chocolate is exceptionally smooth. Here at the facility, our signature dark blend undergoes a precise cooling process. Conching refines the texture to silky perfection. Tempering stabilizes the cocoa crystals. This step gives chocolate its signature shive and snap. Liquid chocolate is poured into perfectly shaped molds. Every mold is filled with exact precision.
Here, the freshly poured molds enter the cooling phase. The precise control of temperature ensures a perfect finish every time.
Each bar shines with smooth perfection. The massive slab is cut with surgical precision, ensuring perfect uniformity in every bar before moving down the line. Each bar is aligned for packaging. Robotic systems wrap them in protective foil. They are sealed and labeled instantly. Cartons are sealed for shipment. Crafted with science and precision.
That perfect snap tells you it's tempered just right.
From cocoa bean to bar, did you like the journey?